Well, our region is experiencing severe weather impacting multiple states. Storm Track 3 meteorologist Katie Melvin is here. And Katie, what's the latest on this? I know things are always changing.
Yeah, and we do have a large region that we are looking over. So some of us are seeing some really heavy rain and lightning and winds right now, and others are not. So earlier today here in Williamson County, we saw a lot, and now it's nothing, and then it's going to be something. So just a lot going on across the region. So let's take a look at radar together, kind of see what's happening right now and what we can expect in the short term at least. So as I said, southern Illinois right now, except for our far south counties, you are in the clear for the moment. We are tracking some storms coming back into the area. Looking over Missouri, we've got a couple storms starting to feed in, but if you see in the corner here in Arkansas, we've got some pretty active storms. That's moving to the northeast, so that will be over you shortly. And then hopping back over to Kentucky and Tennessee, a lot of storms in that area as well. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning that is out of our viewing region, but it is Henry County, so it is very close. If you know anybody in Henry County or even Benton County in Tennessee, let them know they've got something coming their way. But just to clean it up a little bit, we do have a severe thunderstorm watch over part of our region. There was a little bit more earlier. They did expire it for southern Illinois, but it's still here for Kentucky and Tennessee. So different parts or different times. If you are in the Kentucky area, that is until 6 p.m. tonight, but further south, they are listing that until 10 o'clock. So the Storm Prediction Center also has us in a slight and marginal threat. A lot of us were in slight earlier. They've taken us down a little bit on the northern side down to marginal, but still something to take very serious because this is what we're tracking. Chance for hail and wind. We have had reports of both so far across the region. Localized flooding, always an issue when you have really heavy rainfall as well. And we can't rule out a possible tornado or two. We did have a tornado warning earlier off to our northeast, but it wasn't too far out of our region, so still a possibility. Looking at the timing of this right now, we are seeing some heavy rain across the region, cloud cover everywhere. As the rain goes through, we are seeing it pick back up again. So this is what we are seeing out of Arkansas as it continues to move off to the northeast, picking up again, getting pretty strong across the area. And even at midnight, we are still expecting to deal with some showers at some point, not really clearing out until the middle of the night around 3 or 4 a.m. Still some rain showers, a lot of clouds, and these clouds are going to be sticking with us as well through tomorrow. But at least for the most part tomorrow, we will be dry, which is some good news. A great chance to download the Storm Track 3 app. We have had multiple watches and warnings today, so got to stay in touch with that. Tonight, still tracking scattered showers and storms. Tomorrow, as I said, though, mostly cloudy conditions and staying dry as well. And then into Monday, we're doing a 180, and we're expecting a lot of sunny conditions. A big cool down on the way as well. Thanks to these storms, it's caused by a cold front. As the cold front passes through, it is dipping us a lot. Marion is 22 degrees colder than yesterday, as well as Carmi. Paducah, a 20-degree difference, so it is a little chilly outside as well. Across the region, Sparta, Poplar Bluff, and Carbondale are both at 71. Mount Vernon right now at 72. No rain right now on these cameras, but still very cloudy conditions as we are still tracking storms in our region. But looking ahead, we do have some more rain on the way. We do get a quick break Sunday and Monday. So tomorrow, a lot of clouds. Notice we're in the 70s, so cooler conditions as well. Monday, finally sunny again. The storms will return Tuesday in the afternoon, probably after 1 o'clock, sticking around through most of Wednesday and part of Thursday. Friday, only a 20% chance, and then into next weekend, looks to be a little cloudy, but not too bad.
Speaking of cooler conditions, I know a lot of people might be happy about that because I know it was pretty hot this past week.
It was getting pretty hot and humid. I was just out at the Carterville block party yesterday. I think we hit 93, so it was pretty hot out there.
Well, hopefully they had some ice cream to help keep you cool a little bit.
Oh, they did.
All right, thanks, Katie.